You cannot hide from the 32%. Tapos, nanakawin nyo lang. Hindi pa nangyari ito eh. Noon, kikickback din sila. I'm sure, di ba? Time ni Digong, time ni GMA, time ni Pinoy, nagkikickbackan din itong mga congressman na ito eh. Pero now, malala na sila. Unbridled greed. Congress became a marketplace. That's what some Congress people told me. Imagine, you see them around. They're all walking around, visiting each other while the session is going on. What do you think they talk about? Whispering. Yung pala eh. Yung meron kang allocation dun sa 900,000. Biling ko na lang yan sa'yo. Bigyan na lang kita ng 10%. No sweat ka na. Tapos may contractor na siya na naghihintay dyan. Ito namang DPWH, bago pa mag-submit ng budget nila or National Expenditure Program sa DBM and Congress, naka-embed na ang 30%